Hi everyone, welcome back to the Space & K YouTube channel. I'm Charlotte Cho, the co-founder of Soko Glam and the founder of Then I Met You. I'm excited to talk about the top Korean beauty trends that you need to know. First, let's talk about skin flooding, aka the 7-step Korean skin method. It has a variety of names, but this trend has taken the world by storm again. So essentially what skin flooding is using a toner or an essence and applying it on your skin several times over, either the same product or a combination of these essences and toners, and tapping it into your skin, face, neck, and décolleté, and doing that several times to get that really deep hydrated glow. Whether you're oily skin or dry skin, there's something for everyone. You can use a Sun By Me HA, BHA, PHA toner for anyone that has pores and want to maintain them or want to make sure that they have smoother skin texture. You can go for this one. This is a classic, the Aqua Licorice Peach Balancing Cleansing Toner. You can apply this as a really nice scent of bergamot and tap into your skin for that bright glow because it also has licorice extract in it. The Then I Met You Giving Essence is slightly more emollient. It has red algae extracts. It has 5% niacinamide. It really gives you that healthy barrier glow. And finally, the Neogen Essence. This is a tried and true favorite essence. The Neogen Essence has 93% fermented ingredients, really gives you that lit from within glow. Here's how you can skin flood. You use one of these essences or toners, pour a few drops in the palm of your hand, and then you tap on your face and neck, and do that again right after you applied one round of the essence. Do it again. And then you can keep this going several times over, 2 steps, 5 steps, 7 steps, it's up to you. And you could use a combination of the essences depending on what your skin needs. And you can create your own skin flooding routine. This really forces the hydration to go deep into your skin because you're essentially applying many, many layers of this hydrating ingredient. You're flooding your skin with moisture, and this is what you can do whether it's in the morning after you double cleanse, or you can do it after you take a hot shower and your skin is just screaming for some hydration and moisture. I like to do that right after a shower right away, and also it's a great nighttime ritual as well. I think people automatically assume that K-beauty equals Korean skincare, but actually what's becoming very viral is Korean makeup. The top 2 Korean makeup brands are now here in the UK. This is Daesic and Romand. Daesic is an amazing brand that really has the cutest packaging. If you take a look inside, there's a layer where you have a little applicator tool for your lips, and you can use this souffle texture all over your face as point makeup, whether it's your eyeshadow, your cheeks, and your lips. It has a nice mattifying and blurring effect. And don't let the cute packaging fool you because the quality of the formula is excellent. Something that you can definitely use for even your pigmented looks. Romand, don't sleep on Romand. This is one of the most popular lip products in Korea and beyond. And I love the fact that they focus on giving you that glossy, glassy lip. And it's also very layerable and buildable. It can really create a nice pigment. They have so many shade ranges and it's suitable for all undertones. There's definitely something that you're gonna find and love when you check it out at the Space & K Soko Glam Best of K-Beauty edit. The last K-beauty trend of 2025 is going to be no surprise to you if you love and follow K-beauty. Korean sunscreens have put K-beauty back on the map this year. People are obsessed with the textures. They're so lightweight, easy to apply on your skin. They're also really affordable. These sunscreens are superior, but they don't break the bank. And lastly, you're going to love the fact that it's suitable for all skin tones. They have no white cast, and they are always at the highest SPF, SPF 50 PA+++. So protect you from all those UVA rays, and because they won't break the bank, you'll be able to discover and try so many different textures and find the one that's suitable for your skin. So these are the top 3 Korean beauty trends. I'm excited for you to try them if you haven't already. And these trends are here to stay. Korean beauty is here to stay. As you can see, Korean beauty is popular around the world. And through the Soko Glam Best of K-Beauty edit at Space & K, you'll be able to find your next holy grail Korean beauty products.